Hi guys, welcome to Lockdown Lifestyle. Today I have taken some sand with me to make terracotta clay. The things that we will be needing are sand. I have taken 1 cup of sand. Then we'll be needing a transparent shawl or a netted cloth. I'm using an old sari as you guys can see. So then we'll be needing water. So now let's get started how to do this terracotta clay. Now I have wrapped a small ball with the transparent cloth as you guys can see. You guys can even use old paint boxes. So now as you guys can see, look, this is the paint box that I'm using. So now I have wrapped it with the cloth. Inside nothing is there. So now I have added the sand into the top of my netted sari. Now let's pour water. So now I have added water. So you guys can see the water up with some impurities. Now let's remove them. So now we will just take off the water that we are having on top and then leave the excess down. So now we have got the excess water. So now we have some sand that is under. So now let it settle. Let us keep this excess water that we got from the sand in the sun. So this is the waste sand. So now let's dip little to get some more clay sand out of it. So as you guys can see, when I am just doing like this, we get some sand out. After doing this, you get some sand. So after sometimes the clayey sand like this will settle down. So now let us leave it for some 2 hours or a day in the sun. So now there is a transparent yellow water. So now let's remove it and keep the base sand alone. So now I have taken the yellowish water. Now we have the base sand with a little sum of water that will take to us to make the terracotta clay. So now I have wrapped another bucket with the netted sari. Now let's pour the mixture into this. So now I have poured it. So as you guys can see, we get something like this, so soft and moist. So we will be having this bucket also filled with that like this. So let's add them also to it. So now I have got everything into this transparent cloth. Now let's squeeze the excess water from this. So now I have taken the cloth up like this. So here is our terracotta. So now I'm just squeezing it. Squeeze it nicely. So now I have squeezed it. So inside our terracotta is there. So now let's check it out. So let's open and see. So here it is. So our terracotta clay is ready. It's ready to model it. So now let's see how we can store this. So we can store it in a cover and keep it in a box. So I have kept it in the box. Make sure your box is airtight. So this is one of the basic project that I did at first. Thank you for watching this video.